Welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we will be solving the question from Codeforces contest, that is round 977 division 2 based on Confest 16 final round. So the question is maximize max. Okay, so first let's understand the question. You are given an array A of n positive integers and an integer x. You can do the following two-step operation any number of times. Choose an index I and increase that A of I or that indexed element by x. You need to find the maximum value of the max of that A if you perform the operations optimally. So before moving to that, let's first understand what do you mean by max or minimum excluded value. That is the smallest non-negative integer that is not in the array. For example, if I would say that is 2 1. So what is the minimum non-negative integer that is not present in this array? That is 0. So the max of this array is what? 0. If we try for a different example, that is 3101, let's say that is 3101. So which is the minimum excluded value or smallest non-negative integer that is not present in the array, which is what? 2, right? Because 0 is present, 1 is present, the 2 is not present. We didn't need. Okay, so now our final example is 0312. So 0312, what is the answer? 0 is present. We start from saying 0. 1 is present, 2 is present, 3 is also present, 4 is not present. So okay, this is our answer. Now let's see what the question is telling us to find. It is saying to find the maximum value of the max of A. Now, and you can do this operation any number of times. Okay, let's first see an example 03152. Okay, so if we see an example, say that is 03152, right? And your x is equals to 3 here, means you can increase any element to plus 3 any number of times. That is main question. Means see here, I was first confused that you can do this only one time, but you can do any number of times for the same element also. Means that this 2 can be changed to what? Can be changed to 5. Can be changed to what? Plus 3 8. Can be changed to what? Plus 3 11. Can be changed to 14. This 2 can be changed to this also, to 8 also, to 11, to 14 also, as we need. Okay, so if I would like to say, this 1 can also be converted to 4, 7, 10, and so on. The main thing is that how to find, how to choose all the indices such that our max of the array becomes maximum. So how we think? See, first for solving this question, always go for sort. First sort this value to get the better idea of that. Okay, means to sorting helps us to see which element are present and which element are not. This is the sorted array. Now, what is our first answer? We start from our answer. We start from the answer. It is what? 0. Our first answer is 0. We start first from that. Now we check from the starting element also. We check, okay, is 0 present? Yes, 0 is present. 0 is present. Wait a minute. 0, 3. There are two 2's. Okay, so there are 2 here. Here is an extra 2, I could say. 0 3 2 1 5 2. Okay, so if we sort, so we get 2 2 here. Okay, 0 is there. So now we will check for what? We will check for 1, and we increase our, we come here because this 0 is used for the initial 0. Okay, now we go to 1. We say we need our answer 1, but 1 is present, so we move to 2, and now we change our this 1 to 2. We now answer is my 2, but 2 is also present. Change it to further, go for 3. Now here see this 0 1 2. If I would say this 0 1 2 are used to get our answer of, to get, okay, to see that, okay, we need 3 next. Okay, but now this 2 the 2 which we are now here, it can be used further for this 2 can be changed to what? 5 can be changed to what? Can be changed to, okay, so wait a minute, x is x equal to 3, yes, x equals 3. Okay, so our x is equals 3. Okay, so this 2 can be used for to make what? 5, 8, then 2 plus 3, 5 plus 8 and 11, 14, so on as we want. Okay, so can we use it in such a way that in future if I need 8, in this example is not, but let's say I want to make 8, so can I use this 2 to get this 8? Are there any similarity between 2 and 8 with x? If you see here, yes, there is a similarity, and if one can see here is that 8 mod 3 is same as what? 2 mod 3. This is our first observation for this example. Means we can use this 2, we can store it in the form of the map, in the form of map, let's say in the form of map of int comma int, right? We can use in the map and we can say, okay, I have a mod value of 3 of 2 of 1. As I'm finding 3 here, I am finding 3, but I have extra 2. Use this 2 for that. Use this 2 for further investigation of it. Okay. Now we move further to 3. I am looking for 3, cut it out, and then look for 4. Then I am at 5. Now the thing is that there are no 4. Another thing to check, is there 4 mod 3, that is 1, means are there any mappings of 1? No, it is 0. Means that if there was an extra 1 here, let's say this 1 would be helped to make 4. So at that time I would have this 1. If 1 was extra, I have used that 1 to make what? To make 1 mod 3 in my map plus 1, right? Means 1 mod 3 means what? MP of 1 mod 3 plus plus. I would have used this extra 1 to make use in my 4. But it's not the case. I don't have any mapping of 1 here. So it is 0. So I will return my answer what? To C, to 4. Let's understand with the second example. It is 134102. 134102. So our second example, that is what? 1. Okay, so it is 1340 134102. Okay, now go to the first, what we do, we sort it. Okay, which helps us to make it easier, okay, to solve. Okay, so let's say 0 1 1 2 3 4. We have sorted it. Okay, now thing is that we have a map to store the things for extra, to store the extra for using it further in future. Okay, and in this our example, the x equals what? X equals 2, right? Let's see. Okay, we'll start our answer from 0, right? Okay, now we come to 0. We first check one thing for sure, that is our MP of our aunt's modulo x is greater than 0. Means before further any values in the map here initially it is empty, so that we can increase our answer. But it's not, our map is empty. Map is empty. Okay, so we remove the case. Now what we do is that we check 3 things. This our a of I. If it is equal to our answer, if it's equal to our answer, then do what? Then increase our answer. Okay. Second thing is that let's have a of I is greater than our answer. Then do what? Then, as we have already checked in the map, and a of I is greater than our answer means this answer is not possible. So we can break and we can go, okay, that this answer is not possible. Third case is that a of I is less than answer. In this case, use this a of I for in map for future purposes. Okay. Let's start with our case 0. A of I is equal to answer. To what? Increase this. Increase our answer to 1. Okay. Go for 1. First check this thing. In while loop, is our ans mod x greater than 0? Is that thing or not? Ans is 1, 1 mod 2, 1. Map is our empty. As our map is empty, okay, leave it. Now check what? Three things we see. A of I equal to x. A of I greater than x. And what? A of I less than x. 3 things. This is our case. Do what? Increase our answer. Do our answer plus plus and go further. So increase our answer to 2. Go further. Our answer is 2. Check for 2 mod 2. 2 mod 2, is it greater than 0? Map is our empty. Map is empty. Now see this case. If a of I is greater than x, no, it is not greater than x1 is not. Okay, sorry. It's not x. It's actually our answer. Okay, I'm very well sorry. This is not x. This is our answer. Sorry. This all the things are our answer. This ans. This is our answer. This is our answer. Here 1 is less than what? Answer is 2. Use this for further purposes. Use this one for further purposes. It is if this is the case. Do what? Do what? Yes, here is the case. Do what? MP of a of I mod x plus plus. As I showed you in the before example, use its mod value for further purposes. Use this one for making 3 for 5 and all the things. Okay. So this is our map, and in that 1 is 1. Okay. Move further to 2. First check what? Ans mod x is greater than 0. Okay. Sorry. I forgot to increase. Not increase. The 2. Okay. So 2 mod 2. Is that greater than 0? Wait a minute. Okay. So ans is 2, right? 2. Here ans is 2. Okay. Check for 2 mod 2 greater than 0. No. Okay. Check this thing. Is 2 equal to 2? Yes, that is true. Do what? Ans plus plus. Increase that to 3. Come to the next element. Check this thing. 3 mod x greater than 0. No. Yes. 3 mod x is greater than 0. Do what? Increase our answer and decrease this value because we have used this and increase our answer. We are still in this only, right? Then we check the thing. A of I equal to 1? No. A of I is greater than ans? No. We need ans is now 4. Do what? Use for further purposes. 3 mod 2, 1. Use it for the further purposes. Go to 4. Check this 4 mod 4. No. Check this thing. Increase our 5. Our answer 5. And we came out to the array. Now if you see, we have something in our map still left. Use this thing. I can make, as I know 5 mod 2 equal to 1, I can use this one value. So further use this map to make our answer equal to 6, which I will see, I will tell you in the code. Okay. Now let's go to our final example. It is 2, 5, 10, 3. Okay. 2, 5, 10, 3. 2 5 10 3, and I will do what? I will remain this three conditions so that we can do let's say sorry okay. And our x value is 5. Okay, 2 5 10 3 is our example. 2 5 10 3 sorted. 2 3 5 10. Okay, now our answer, we start from our answer equal to 0. Go for 2 here. 2. Always first check what is MP of ans mod x greater than 0. Before, okay, can I use this value? No, my map is empty, so MP of ans 0 mod x is 0, MP of 0 is 0. Now there are three cases. First case, C. A of I 2 equal to ans. No. Is 2 greater than ans? Oh my god. 2 greater than 0. Means this 0 can't be formed by 2 or any further elements. I break here and stop. So I return my answer as 0. This is our answer. Right? Now let's get to the code and let's solve this. So here I have taken, okay, so let's first take the input int n comma x scene comma n x, initialize our vector of size n, take input scene a of I, and what after taking the input, when we start our answer from 0, we print our answer. I showed you three conditions. We extra for we take a map for storing the extra for storing a of I mod x values for using it in future. Right? Okay. Let's iterate in our. Here I told you to check what? Always check first this thing to check. Okay? This thing to check first. And we can have it in the while loop. Okay? So while MP of ans mod x is greater than 0, do what? Ans plus plus, and I said if you are using that, decrease that value. Okay. Okay, first we forget to sort it. Okay, forget. This is very important. This is very important thing, so that we can then think how to solve this problem. Why we are using this while loop here? To use the map as the ans value is higher than the previous values from which mod is formed. Okay, from here mod is formed, because in this case what is the issue? You can't use this 5 for 0. 5 mod 5 is 0, but you can't form 0 using this 5. Are you understanding? Our loop stopped here only, our code stopped here only, because I can't form 0 from 5. That's why this while loop here is valid, to use the previous smaller values to make the current higher ans value. After this, we saw three conditions. This were the three conditions. In first, we do ans plus plus. In this, we break, and in this, we do this thing. Okay. So let's go and see our three condition if ans equal to a of I. Oh wow, we got something. Do ans plus plus. Else, if a of I is greater than ans, oh my god, I can't form, break it. Else, to MP of a of I mod x plus plus. Done. Break it. Now what we'll be doing, Finally, let's say we have some values in the map. So we can use the value from that map. So while MP of our ans mod x is greater than 0, what we do ans plus plus, and we do MP of ans mod x minus minus, and we do C out ans enter. Okay. Why we inserted here this while loop? Because there may be the case, as we saw in our second example here, I would say here example, here our there here here there was 4, our array was completed, but in the map this was there 1 1, so I can use this one to make 5. This is for that case. Okay. And here we have inserted break, no issue, because we have checked here ans mod x is greater than 0, this break condition, after that this will not be executed and we can print our answer. Let's turn it and check it. uh, yes, it will be running fine. If you have any doubts, you can ask in the comment section. Thank you.